nice. Okay. Alright, find a hole. Okay, same here. PNL indicator. Okay, let's see what we got here. Wow, V75 went down pretty hard. Put in a few limit orders here. And another one a little bit higher. Okay, that looks good.
Dollar CAD. I think I'm just going to be sitting in this chair all day.
Well, that's a solution as well, of course.
I just tried to stand up. It didn't go well.
You know the South Park episode where Cartman asks for his mom for toilet? That's what you need now.
I need some codeine. And a lot of it.
A liter bottle.
Huh?
1 liter.
Oh yeah,
Giant.
a big... I need a pint of codeine syrup right now. Oh, I'm never touching that shit. I'm gonna have to brave it out.
Swing fish mate.
it's all I ever wanted. Baby, you and I so real, yeah. The kind of stuff that you can plan, yeah. This thing we got is, I know I love it. No need for it to stop.
Swing looking hodl. Swingfish, you see what trade max fast rope? If that's true, he must be the richest Brannigan there is.
Dollar CAD.
You hodl my beer.
Oh no, that's different. You wrote in trading room a few hours ago that he's trading a 688k account.
It's been reported the Leader of the House, Jacob Rees-Mogg, is to announce this afternoon that the House of Commons will sit on Monday the 21st and Tuesday the 22nd of December.
Sure.
Meanwhile, Reuters, citing a German government source, says German government has been told by the European Commission that December 23rd is the new target date for recommendation on the BioNTech Pfizer vaccine.
Do I want to search for that? When did
Search
it
for
go?
what? What are you talking about?
About Max Fast.
Oh, I'll reply to it. Just one sec. There you go. In trading room.
A more detailed update
Hey,
here
this
from
my
Chad
first
Pergram,
time
the
here.
Fox News reporter on
Do
what's
you do
happening
live,
in
buy, and
Washington
sell
today.
Forex
Says we do
every day?
expect to get the text of the $1.4
Yes, but this is
trillion
not Forex,
spending
sorry.
package today to avoid a government shutdown over the weekend. He does say, though, it's already late in the game to avoid a shutdown in the wee hours of Saturday morning, and it's unclear if they may need a short-term measure again.
Alright, give me a
On the
pair.
coronavirus efforts, he says we really don't see exactly what the path is. The plan was to latch some of the provisions onto the spending measure or not. That's pretty much the only parliamentary option available at this stage. And he says, frankly, it appears the fate of the omnibus and COVID relief plan are tied together. It's hard to do one without the other. This is going to entail a very heavy lift the next few days.
Swing, give me a pair to study. I need something to do.
A pair? Oh.
Any pair.
Dollar CAD.
Dollar CAD. Can't remember the last time I traded dollar CAD.
It's a bit late, but it looks good. Or Euro Yen. Dollar CAD or Euro Yen.
No, the dollar CAD looks good enough. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish.
Wait, what did he say? 20 lots? No.
Yep.
30 lots?
2 mil.
30 lots. 15 pips, right?
Yeah, just to talk about the euro yen, I had looked a few days back for the options market. The open interest on the euro yen was very low. That's why we're ranging between 126 and 126 right now. I think that's why.
Yeah, it looks bearish to me on dollar CAD. A lot of room to the downside.
Yeah.
But as you said, it is pretty late. But a stop loss would be pretty easy to place, seeing as it's just broken below a daily trend. So above structure, but below. Fuck, what am I even saying? Jesus Christ. Well, I've just found the last time I traded dollar CAD. Look at this.
Nice.
It looks like chainsaw trading, but that's the weekly chart.
That's how my 3-minute charts look like.
What, plus 11% here, plus 9% there, minus 3% there. Fucking ballsy if you're doing that on the 1 minute. To be honest, in terms of a scalp, I'd probably long dollar CAD back to the trend line, back to the daily structure, and then back down again. Doesn't look like it's going to drop yet. But it's right in the middle of the range, so I wouldn't touch it at the moment. Euro yen was the other one you said. Yeah, Euro yen looks bearish as hell. I'm gonna start selling that.
The US Secretary of State Pompeo says the Chinese Communist Party is poisoning US higher education.
Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive. 'Cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life. And we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive. 'Cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life. And we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love. Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive. 'Cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. Tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life. And we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. Of the rhythm of love. We're fighting for love tonight. Of the rhythm of love. We're fighting for love tonight.
This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you won't. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter, but Frankie said it better.
I almost feel it when you smile.
I'll take my time, I want you but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop, I'll never stop. 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 This is how we do this. In one way, I'm time. I want you, but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop.
Yeah, look at the numbers on that chart,
Hey there.
Swingfish.
I like fish. Fish is exciting.
Hell, what am I gonna do?
Doesn't give up.
Huh? No, you're talking about Trademax.
Yeah, he doesn't give up.
I was talking about my back.
What happens to the Euro USD pair in your guys' SSSSSSS opinion? In the future.
I'm a day trader.
You don't
My
care about the
future
future.
ended an hour ago.
But for the sake of boredom, I'll have a look at it. Euro USD. You know, it depends on a lot of things. It looks like it's found a solid resistance level. But there's a fair bit of political turmoil in both the States and in Europe. So it's anyone's guess.
How many thousand
Jesus
years
Christ.
of experience does he have?
Looking at my deal maps from Eurodollar, it's so bad. Eurodollar is like one of those pairs that I'm in a loss in, like net. Because I just suck at trading it.
I didn't expect Euro to become so expensive.
Expensive how? Expensive as in exchange rate or expensive as in commission and swap for trading? Euro looks really, really interesting on the weekly.
Didn't he just said he has 10 years
Exchange rate.
experience?
He said 13 years experience.
For 13 years. Because I asked him for a deal map and he asked me what that is.
Christ. Mate, for all we know, he is telling the truth, and he's just a very, very wealthy Brannigan. See where it is now, on like the hourly chart, I'd say it's found resistance, but if you scroll out all the way to the weekly chart, you'll see that it's just broken out of a huge, huge structure and looks pretty bullish. But I'll drop a picture in the Discord.
You're talking about Eurodollar beer bonds?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, City Analysts put it at 125 on their latest weekly analyst.
That's what I'm seeing anyway. A nice breakout, but on the hourly it looks super bearish.
Yeah, exactly. There'll be this short term, whatever happens with no deal, and then back on with the match.
Yeah. I mean, I would happily short it from here back to structure because it never properly tested it.
That's kind of what's been killing me on my evaluation. I held onto the euro dollar trader. I had way too long, thinking it would revert at 119 and then 120. It's only 2 lots, but killed me.
What, shorting it?
Yeah, like a fool. I could have cut it several times at a small loss.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us. Oh god damn it. Every time I move it hurts. Fuck.
What have you done?
Oh, I've hurt my back somehow. Big old cripple.
The only thing I know about that is back like strength exercises slowly but surely.
Yeah.
But I guess you're beyond that on this particular day.
Yeah, I hurt it yesterday somehow, and then I woke up this morning, it was like 10 times worse. It'll be right.
Don't you have something for that in your arsenal?
Besides weed, not really. And I don't like smoking during the day, so I'm just gonna suffer for a while.
Dollar CAD's broken out of its range, or at least to the downside a bit more. I was kind of watching for a reversal.
I'm gonna start building cells on Eurodollar, as well as cells on Euro Yen.
I just saw your is it Pound Aussie chart you posted? Comment about good horizontals. How long ago was that?
Oh, that was like 2 years ago. They were talking about never making a trade last longer than 150 pips. I was like, I used to do that all the time.
Yeah, strange concept. No, I was just looking at swing trading, talking a bit about it to Sabaku yesterday, and yeah, I like the look of that.
I used to swing trade exclusively, and that's the sort of thing that I used to do. But that was with like 3% risk because my trades would come about once in a blue moon, so I could put more volume on it than, more risk on it than scalping because, you know, your exposure's fairly limited anyway by the fact that you're only trading once a week.
Yeah. So why did you pull the plug on that? You could do it at the same time as scalping, presumably. That's at least my plan.
I got bored, if I'm being honest.
Yeah. Yeah, fair enough.
That trade was a while ago. It's a fucking good trade though. It funded like my traveling, or made the basis for it anyway.
Yeah, it looked pretty hefty. Even, you know, whatever size of the count, yeah.
That total altogether came to about 100% profit, if not more.
And it included the Aussie. Presumably you went to Australia as well, so that all works out.
Yeah, it all worked out.
So if you want to go to
And now
Japan,
I'm
you've got to
back.
break the yen, is it?
Yeah, but now I'm back and I've spent it all. And I've got a bad back. Fuck's sake, why did I come back?
Oh, mate. You know, yeah. You got, what do they call it? Wanderlust.
Exactly.
Itchy feet.
Because eventually you get cold feet when you're traveling. And then when you come back,
Exactly.
you
that's
get
what I
even
got.
colder feet.
Yeah. No, it depends what you come back to.
Well, I came back to COVID and fucking shit weather. I came back to lockdown and
Yeah,
rain.
That will do it. Yeah, I see a lot of people like swing, and I follow some Muay Thai people on YouTube and see them locked down, and they just don't look as perturbed as everyone here.
Oh, Muay Thai. Did you do Muay Thai?
No, I do karate, but Muay Thai is such a cool sport. Don't you reckon?
Yeah, I watched a lot of it when I was in Thailand because they have like tourist boxing rings, and essentially the warm-up fight will be between two teenagers who were both very good at Muay Thai, and they'll just kick the shit out of each other, and then they'll respectfully bow at the end of it, like there's no hard feelings at all. And then what they do, while all the tourists have been drinking, is they say, I need 2 tourists to get in this ring, winner gets a bucket. And then you just get 2 drunk tourists knocking 7 bells out of each other. It's brilliant. I've got a video of it somewhere, I'll send it to you. But when I went, the tourists who did it were these 2 Irish guys who were just both absolutely trolleyed. And they kept swinging and falling over. It was great.
That's good entertainment, but Jesus, if you get 2 guys who are like big but not experienced, that could be a recipe for broken everything.
Yeah, no, they were too drunk to do any damage to each other. Plus, they were like best friends.
Win-win then. Whoever gets the buckets, sharing it.
Yeah. I'll see if I can screen record it. I put it on my Instagram, but
On your what?
I'm sorry. I know Instagram is prohibited. Oh yeah, I've got it. Where the fuck is screen record? How do I work phones?
Yeah, we were just enjoying the no dumb fuck idiots on YouTube scenario playing out. But I just realized all this stupidity just went to our Discord.
Yeah, we lost it in one area and gained it in the other.
Holy fuck, what kind of conversation is going on there?
Alright, this video might be too big to send over Discord, so bear with me.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye.
Maybe it's not too small, not too big.
Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and
Oh, maybe it is.
I won't play, don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
The US FDA staff have published their briefing documents on the Moderna COVID vaccine ahead of the advisory committee meeting on Thursday.
Well, he's avoiding since an hour now to post a deal map.
Oh, do we still care about this?
Maybe
we still
he's-
talking about trade
Maybe he's
rights?
afraid that we can see his size or something like that. Or that maybe the lines have a different color on a demo account.
I just hear you light up a cig.
Some people are just so far beyond repair.
Do you like the Irish punk video?
Yes, I do.
Crack open a car bomb with the lads.
Oh, not bad hands in the first few shots.
Oh, it actually sent. Fuck, I didn't
These
think it would.
documents from the FDA says the safety data did support a favourable safety profile, with no specific safety concerns identified that would preclude the issuance of emergency use authorization. And that's for the Moderna
I
vaccine.
didn't do it.
Yeah,
just
I
calling
thought
you.
it was funny anyway. It was just throwing punches and falling all over the place.
Yeah, that's not normally the kind of Muay Thai I'm watching, but
No, I should have recorded some of the professional stuff. They're actually really good. Like if it was me in that ring, I would have been dead. And it was a
the standard in
teenager.
Thailand is crazy. The standard in general, yeah.
I read about a jail in Thailand where the governor organizes boxing matches with the international fighters for the inmates, and if they win, they get like 5 years knocked off their sentence.
Oh fuck, it's very tempting, I bet.
It is, like if you're in there for 30, 40 years, like you want to go home as soon as possible. If you win 8 fights, you're out.
Did you get banged up for just what we'd consider minor stuff, couldn't you, over there?
But yeah, 100%.
These FDA
What we can
documents say
consider
the
a
meeting
misdemeanor
being
is, like,
convened is to provide
jail for
recommendations
them.
on whether the benefits of the Moderna vaccine outweigh the risks for use in individuals 18 years of age and older.
High prison. Yeah, I found it. I think this is the right video. Yeah, it is. Watch it. It's really interesting. So people do nothing but train day in, day out in jail, and then the international fighters, they do nothing but train day in, day out.
I mean, you would really, wouldn't you? Like, what else?
It's for freedom, you know. I wonder why he does it though. Do you think he gets a cut if they make a professional career once they're out of jail? I don't know, maybe it's explained in the video and I wasn't paying attention.
There's a bit of a difference with karate though. We kind of keep more distance and less like wailing on each other, more trying to look for that 1 or 2 shots that will keep them down.
Yeah.
But definitely loads to learn from it. Just the damage they can do to your legs with a few kicks is crazy.
It was amazing, like they couldn't have been more than 15, these kids. But the kicks they were landing, like one guy
Away from
he
the
kicked
top
the
of
other.
the hour, central bank rate decision from the Hungarian central
he's
bank,
typing.
widely expected to leave their
Finally.
benchmark rate unchanged at spot 6%. So say 21 of the 23 economists surveyed by Reuters. 2 do see a cut though.
Back in a
Stocks
minute.
going for a 10 basis point cut. BNP Paribas see a 15 basis point cut.
Come on, make me some money. I'm proud of myself.
say that I don't care about you, but not anymore.
Don't you go back up. I'm very heavy.
All you wanna do is fight, bringing me down every night. Yeah, I think that I'd rather be alone. Even though I hate when my bed is empty, I don't wanna be locked up while pretending.
More information from these FDA docs say the 2-dose Moderna vaccination regimen was highly effective in preventing COVID occurring in at least 14 days after the receipt of the second dose.
Not anymore, 'cause I don't even want your love, want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. Wasting my time trying to get you to give me, 'cause you don't want to, yeah. Get my point of view. I wonder where it all went wrong. This could have been a different song, and now I'd rather be alone. Even though I hate when my bed is empty, I don't wanna be locked up while pretending. So I'ma make it easy for us both, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore.
Euro dollar.
I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. 'Cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. 'Cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. You know that all I ever want is for you to be happy. To be happy. Never wanted this love to end up this way. But the things we can't change.
A spokesman for UK Prime Minister Johnson says the Prime Minister re-emphasised to the Cabinet his desire to reach a deal with the EU, but not at any price. Restated that no trade deal was the most likely outcome. Just to repeat, UK Prime Minister Johnson's spokesman says the Prime Minister has re-emphasised to his Cabinet his desire to reach a deal with the EU, but not at any cost. Restated to his Cabinet as well that no trade deal was the most likely outcome.
Here we go again.
Oh, 643. Nice. How much do I need? Let's really quickly candlestick trader, yeah. B75 is taking forever. I need 655. If the trend line is still correct. Yeah, it is. 655. Do we have?
I wonder if Bibong set up those shorts because that was a nice quick reaction to it. It's probably one of the faster pushes down we've had off the back of similar news.
643. Almost. Damn it.
Hungarian central bank, as expected, leaves their benchmark rate unchanged at spot 6%. A few more details from this FDA document. It says the Moderna vaccine is found to be 94.1% effective in their final analysis.
Alright, time to take profit. On the range break, really quick.
Leader of the UK opposition party says he's now calling for the government to hold an emergency review of their plans to relax the COVID restrictions for Christmas.
Damn, the V75 is so slow. That's why Taxman is not here.
Just under 10 minutes, we get Canadian housing starts at 15 minutes past the hour for November, looking for 212 spot 5,000 against a prior 214 spot 9,000. It's not unusual to see this figure released a couple of minutes early. 246,000 for Canadian housing starts, 246,000 beats the 212 spot, 5,000 expected.
I'm back. And I've got a hot pack on my back.
A bit more colour on the Commons sitting next week. This is coming from John Stevens, the Daily Mail's political editor. He says Jacob Rees-Mogg says he will announce on Thursday whether the Commons will sit next week. This contrary to early reports saying it would be announced this afternoon. Rees-Mogg says he'll announce on Thursday whether Commons will sit next week.
Eurodollar's retracing euro yen. Looks like it's going to stay below structure. Should have scaled in before it dropped.
I told you when it was at the VWAP. No excuse.
I wasn't even here. I was making a sandwich.
The German envoy to the European Union says it's still possible to reach a UK trade deal. The German ambassador Michael Klaus says there's a chance for a UK trade deal by the end of the week.
You just say there might be an EU trade deal at the end of the week.
Oh, following the news for this trade deal is a nightmare. Literally, all people say all the time is fake deadlines.
At this point, I'm convinced that Jacob Rees-Mogg is telling Boris to tell the public that we're going to have a no deal, and then right at the end, he's going to say, "Oh wait, we've got a deal." That way, he can make a fuckload of money with his investment fund.
That plus it's your stronger hand, isn't it, to always say no, there's not going to be a deal, and then last minute pull it out the bag.
Because Rees-Mogg has his own investment fund. He might well be shorting the pound until the trade deal gets announced, and then he just longs it, makes a fuckload of money and retires.
Sorry, phone call. Yeah, Rees-Mogg and also Rishi Sunak has a massive. Well, he's an investor. He's a partner in a hedge fund, isn't he? So it's clearly, and he didn't declare it either, like a numpty.
At least Rees-Mogg declared it.
Yeah, it's crazy the interest. It almost feels like things are timed sometimes as well. Like they'll go back on it 5 minutes later or something.
For sure.
Yeah, they're making some half statements, so price is gonna start to get volatile. So it at some point it gets back to the VWAP, so the big boys can can trade it, and they make the announcement.
Oh yeah.
The
yeah,
EU
that would make
meeting
sense,
on the
yeah.
BioNTech Pfizer vaccine will be December 21st. Says meeting plan for the 29th of December will be maintained if it's needed. Irish Foreign Minister Coveney, he's always optimistic on a Brexit deal.
Yeah, like last week, no, 2 weeks ago, I shorted pound yen cable on the VWAP. It was also a slower entry. Price actually took a while to get there, so I traded, but there was
Irish Foreign
resistance as
Minister
well.
says he does think we're seeing this week is some progress. Irish Foreign Minister Coveney, I think what we're seeing this week is some progress.
So I did hit it hard for a short play, I don't know, 7 pips or so, maybe less. I just talked to my daughter, and then Boris said something, and the pound dropped like 70 pips in a single candle.
Nice.
4% profit in like 9 seconds. And like a $100 drawdown.
At the same time, an EU drug regulator source says it will decide on approval of the Pfizer vaccine on December 21st. And back to the Irish Foreign Minister, says he does understand they're making some progress on the level playing field. It says because the negotiating teams have gone really quiet, indication that talks have got serious.
It's about time.
Right, better get some lunch before I miss the window in a bit.
Alright, catch you in a bit.
Does leave us inside 10 minutes away from the bottom of the hour and the release of US data. We'll lead with the Empire manufacturing number for December. Slight discrepancy between the estimates from the calendars we look at today. One has it rising to 6.9 from 6.3. The other sees it pulling back slightly, 6.2 down from 6.3. The range on the first is 4 to plus 12. We'll then move on to the import and export prices. Import pricing next month on month seen rising spot 3%, a prior minus spot 1. And the ex-petroleum seen rising by spot 2% against a prior flat. Year on year seen at minus spot 9 against a prior minus 1%. Onto the export price index, month on month seen as spot 2 against a prior spot 2. And the year on year export price index a prior of minus 1 spot 6%. Canadian manufacturing sales also due, month on month for October seen at spot 6%, a prior of 1 spot 5%. Going back to the Empire number, a preview out here from TD Securities, they're looking for a drop to 5 from 6.3, does put them towards the lower end of the consensus. They say the new COVID restrictions are likely to affect the service sector more than manufacturing, but even manufacturing data likely to be affected. They're forecasting some slippage in December in Empire manufacturing to 5, down from 6.3.
Illusions are made of love. Illusions are made of love. Illusions are made of love. Illusions are
EU von der Leyen says it's likely the first Europeans will be vaccinated before the end of 2020.
That's crazy. 0.1% of the United States population has died from coronavirus now, as of today. Just under 3 minutes till US Empire manufacturing for December. As we said, some divergent estimates for this number. One calendar showing 6.9 up from 6.3. Range of estimates between 4 and 12. Other calendar you look at going for 6.2. Slight pullback from the prior. On to import prices, month on month seen at spot 3, ex petroleum spot 2, and year on year minus spot 9. The export price index seen rising by spot 2% year on year, and Canadian manufacturing sales seen at spot 6% month on month in October. One minute.
10 seconds. Spot 9 for Empire Manufacturing, 4.9 import price index spot 1 on the month, flat ex petroleum and minus 1% on the year. Export price index comes in at minus 1.1 on the year, and Canadian manufacturing sales spot 3% in October. So Empire Manufacturing pulling back 4.9 down from a price 6.3. The employment index does rise though, 14.2, that's up from 9.4. Import price index comes in soft, spot 1 on the month versus spot 3, flat ex petroleum versus spot 2, and minus 1% on the year versus minus spot 9. Canadian manufacturing sales also soft, spot 3% versus spot 6. Looking closer at the components here for Empire Manufacturing, new orders 3.4 down from 3.7, jump in prices paid 37.1 from
Markets are
29.1.
crazy these days, lol.
Employment rose as well, 14.2 up from 9.4.
Biden will send market to hell or
range 200 already hit the target. Didn't take profit. V75 is just taking forever.
The FDA said to be seen backing the Moderna vaccine emergency use this week. That's according to the New York Times. A bit more on these Moderna documents to the FDA says data does suggest that some asymptomatic infections start to be prevented after the first dose of the vaccine. We're 10 minutes away from the top of the hour. More data due from Canada. Existing home sales month on month for November. Prior read of -0.7%. ECB Stunaras says the policy measures to support the EU economy must continue. The Federal Reserve said to have formally joined the network. The Fed formally joins the network for greening the financial system. Fed's Powell says he looks forward to deepening discussions. Canadian existing home sales minus 1.6% month on month for November. Just over 3 minutes, we do expect to hear from the ECB's chief economist Philip Lane, due to give a speech at the online ECB legal colloquium on past pandemic economic governance. ECB's website says these slides from his text will be released. We're just under 10 minutes away from US industrial production data for November. US industrial production seen rising by spot 3%, the range minus spot 5 up to 1.4% against the prior 1.1%. Capacity utilization seen at 72.9% up from 72.8%, and manufacturing production seen rising spot 3% against a prior 1%.
the truth.
The slides from the ECB chief economist are up. We'll put them up on the board, titled "The Resilience of the Euro." Just under 2 minutes till US industrial production data. Industrial production seen rising spot 3%, capacity utilisation seen at 72.9%, and manufacturing production seen rising spot 3% as well. Apologies, 7 minutes till US industrial production.
Looks like New York become your playground these days. Laughing face.
Laughing face.
From New Zealand, the GDT wholesale, the Fonterra GDT price index rising 1 spot 3%, average selling price 3,317. The whole milk powder price rising spot 5% to 3,210.
Jesus Christ, what are you doing?
Yeah. A little bit of trade. Take profit early before the take profit hits.
The DAX is still going up.
Now it's gonna go to my target.
Just under 30 seconds to industrial production. Ten seconds. Spot 4% for industrial production, 73 spot 3 for capacity utilisation, and spot 8% for manufacturing production. US Secretary of State Pompeo says Russian Foreign Minister Lavrov has got his facts wrong when he accuses the US of playing political games in the Mediterranean.
Euro dollar.
Seeing comments here coming through from the IMF Deputy Managing Director saying global GDP could rise by close to 2% by 2025 if G20 countries with most fiscal space simultaneously increased infrastructure spending. So that's the IMF Deputy Manager there saying 2% could be added by 2025 if those G20 countries with fiscal space simultaneously increase infrastructure spending.
Euro dollar. Euro dollar.
fight you off, but it's so useless. You circle around me like the moon around the earth. Always ending with a kiss, I'm clueless. We pretend that we don't really care at all. And there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite.
Hold your breath, all the moves we're making. I'm scared to death, and the ground is shaking. Oh boy, you got me really good.
Well,
It's up to you.
Bezos destroyed Christmas.
You should. The music stopped and you were gone.
You what?
I was hoping for
So,
another dawn.
yeah. I don't know. I got a message from Amazon. Your package is undeliverable. We're returning it, and I'm like, well, there goes the fucking present. So I won't be able to get anything on time. So what a shame. Thanks, Bezos. Can I short Amazon? Do you think I can do it? Now's the fucking time. Nah, I'm fucking annoyed about that. Oh man. Oh well. Let's fucking get. So you're still in Tesla. Why?
Yeah,
What's going on?
I'm waiting for 449.
I'm worried about you, Fish.
649, and I'm gonna hit the 400%.
Oh, right, you want that 400, right? Yeah. Yeah, I got a sick 30%. That's I guess that's not Instagram worthy, is it?
I scaled in so to make it happen faster.
Nah. Oh, that's actually hilarious. Yeah. Just force it. Hey, if you want to scale in some more, we can get that up to 2,000.
Yeah, fuck it.
You might as
41,
well
what the
just
fuck?
Depositing money.
Okay, it went down, so it filled my limit order.
I was like, you might as well just keep depositing money and just keep adding into Tesla until like, you get your 400.
Still, until it's back at 2,000.
Yeah, I don't even know. Yeah. Oh wait, until Tesla's back at 2,000 a share? Jesus Christ.
That's gonna
Wait, was
be
Tesla
next
ever at
week, I guess.
2,000?
Is that what they're saying next week?
No.
I mean, I don't know. I'm just in Rolls Royce, and I could see it going up to like $9 or $10 a share. But,
Come on, Dex, you can do it.
He collected. I can't hear you if you're talking. Probably muted. I didn't mute you, I just mean like your mics. I don't know.
That's what I will say.
Wait, what if you muted someone? You just tell him you didn't mute him? No, I think he muted his own mic, or it's on. I don't know.
The audio settings.
Oh shit!
There you
Looks
go.
like the indices going down.
Who needs coffee when you got that fucking alert? Hey,
About
Sammy.
Rolls Royce, mate. We've got
Yeah.
near a lot of the employees. Sort of, we live near one of the sites, Rolls Royce sites in the UK. Yeah, it's a good buy at the moment.
Uh-huh.
They're all staying.
Oh, I'm totally in. I'm just all in. Not like in one position, but I'm all in, and it just looks so good. It looks even better than opportunities with airline companies right now, and the dividends they pay, like the last. So what are they at? $1.70 right now, but they were at $3.50 a share, I think, and they paid almost $2 dividends. So they're trying to keep people in effectively. And it's at a 17-year low right now, and I just drew a trend line off the top. It could get up to like $8-9 a share. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep going. I'm just gonna keep scaling in, honestly. It just looks really good.
They did the split
Yeah.
last month. That's when everyone got in. A lot of the staff got even half of that as well. And yeah, there's apparently orders are still around, and the government's not going to let them slide and all this sort of thing. So
Oh, that's even better news. Well, I'm gonna go add in more now. Thanks. That's good to know. The government ain't gonna let it. Yeah.
Maybe sometime airplane house full.
Wait, what? What's going on?
Hey. Euro dollar.
Hi.
You sold that
No.
out?
I mean, I am, but like you were talking weird a second ago, so I don't know if I am.
Have you not
What's
seen?
going on?
You were talking about airlines or whatever. And have you not seen the meme? Like airplane house empty.
No, I haven't seen it. So yep. A lot of things that didn't compute there.
I'll show you.
Alright. But yeah. Rolls Royce looks just like a killer steal right now. Like I don't know. I mean, I could probably do more analysis on it to get good levels, but for right now I just don't really care. I'm just gonna keep adding into it. And I have my trend line, so I'll probably just keep scaling in until the trend line's hit. Yeah. And it's so volatile too that the discounts you're gonna get scaling in are just really worthwhile. Two people on Wall Street. Wall Street bets. Sorry. I've been in Wall Street bets, and it's probably as annoying as like me when I was smashed earlier, but like all the time. And I can't handle that. That's way too much. And there's just people butting heads all the time. It's just really weird. I think the thing is, this Rolls Royce thing that I'm calling out, I got it from there. I just joined the chat the other day, and this guy was talking about it, and everybody was shitting on him. And I went and looked. I was like, "Hey, this is really good." but everybody was thinking like, "Oh, why would you do that?" He's like, "Why don't you go for good performing stocks?" And I'm like, "Oh, so these fuckers only buy high? Okay, good to know." And that was basically the end of that for me. But yeah, it was like everybody piling on him about how he's dumb for wanting to get into Rolls Royce, and yeah. All right, let's see the two people.
Everything says I should long gold, but I don't want to.
Oh, I've seen this. Wait, what'd you say?
I'm supposed to long gold, but I don't want to.
You know, I'm actually looking at gold too. Yeah, that was the spot, but yeah. Oh shit. Where I signaled to buy gold, that would have been perfect. Damn. I kept signaling to buy gold at random points. Like, I was yelling in the voice chat the other day. I was like, buy gold now, right now. And then like a minute later, I was like, get out now. Like 3 pips stop loss, and then it just ran down. I'm like, buy it again. I hope nobody did it, but hey, I guess it would have worked. I was just being retarded. Let's see. Yeah, gold is I mean, where are you aiming? Like, if you were to buy in right now, would you be aiming for the previous high, or are you trying to go past that, or like?
Well, ideally, I want to get in at 1846. I'm just being a bit scroungy right now.
Yeah, maybe the previous high might be the good target for the priming.
If it's a trend line, 1846, you know, just draw a simple trend line, you know. I mean, in theory, if it comes down, yeah. So I guess we'll see if it comes back to the trend line. Which it probably will. Where would I get in? Yeah, 1846.54 would be like a really nice level to me. It got pretty close to that a bit ago. 2 pips off. But bit late for that.
The DAX is not really moving, huh?
Nothing is moving. Nothing.
I just made 2 grand on a
Ah,
DAX, so it is moving.
It's all in your mind.
Oh shit. I hate reality.
Not again.
I've drawn a better chart, but yeah, I'm not even sure if I could be bothered to trade it at the moment. It's so annoying.
Oh, you're looking at that. Yeah, look a bit back. I guess I could post a chart.
Well, I have it that it was bullish all morning, and then it kind of consolidated a bit, and then pushed up really hard. It's came back to the EMA, and then is now looking to push again.
Yeah, just make sure to like say what you're looking at if you post in the trading room, otherwise people won't know when it's cropped.
If they can't read that chart.
Well, that's kind of what I'm looking at. See if you go back a bit. You just have a trend line there, and those would be like the horizontals. That kind of interest me. Maybe I should put 5
So
minutes.
seeing here the EU move to prolonging virus-induced relief has said to have cleared its final hurdle in the Parliament, so longer relief goes unopposed by EU governments in Parliament.
Those levels seem pretty good, but Honestly, like the fact that it came 2 pips away from that level and then ran away, I mean, if it comes back down, it'll probably push further than that first horizontal at that point, so. Due to how, you know, projections work, so. Probably would aim more for the second horizontal or just that trend line, really. If it even gets there.
Nah, it's gone already.
Yeah, it's whatever. I don't know. I wasn't looking at it until you mentioned it. I blame you. It's your fault. Damn, that's lag. Did you know you started talking, and then I talked, and then 4 seconds later I heard it go through your speaker back at me, so I was like, oh god. That is quite a, not a lag, but a delay.
Lag?
Yeah, not lag, delay. Like, I'm not trying to talk over anyone, just takes a few seconds to get, you know, to your ears.
It hit the 61.8 perfectly on my fib there.
Pussy.
Yeah, it's because I've been stuck in gold all morning, because I sold at 1840 and had to scale out. So.
It's alright. Let's go up to a higher and look at 30 minutes.
I'll be looking to short Eurocard soon, just so if anyone's looking at that.
Short GU.
It could have, I mean, the huge volume spike it had. I mean, I guess we'll see. Well, really what we need to be looking at is the structure to the side of it, at least on the 30 minute. So if it does go up and breaks the high, I'd be aiming for like 1862.39. That would be my area. Yeah.
I'll look at that with you, Kieran.
What are you guys looking at?
It's a Eurocad.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just coming up to pivot and VWAP and another level. Yeah, could be nice.
I already have a limit order in. I'll actually put this in darkroom now.
And the Bank of England here says they received an offer to cover ratio of 2.77 on a prior buyback, 1.23 on the 1.47 billion 20-year plus gilts. So that's a stronger offer to cover ratio there, 2.77 for the 20-year plus gilts on a prior buyback of 1.23.
Still selling their junk.
By the way, whoever just called that GU short, I don't know who said they were short in GU, but I literally just had a look at it. I was like, oh shit, that's really good entry, like right where it's at. Looks like that's gonna work out. Back to VWAP.
Yeah, no worries, buddy.
Yeah, I don't know what GU is. I only know what cable is, but it's fine.
Cable is the same thing.
Noob.
I call it goo.
Okay, I can get behind that. Yeah, I could see this going up personally, like more. So
Yeah, I'm not convinced the dollar's done going down yet.
yeah, I would go to I forgot what I said, 1862.06, something like that. Another 100 pips up. Say around there. That's where I would be aiming. Just gauging the structure to the left.
Oh yeah, there was another chance to get in on gold there, I see.
Yeah. I don't trade 30-minute charts. I'm just looking at gold. Who cares?
Just missed my entry on the Dow.
But yeah, that would have been a really good entry earlier. Like, this could really just run. I don't see why it wouldn't, honestly. It's very fucking likely. It's just gonna run up there.
It's for sure the Dow is going up. There's a lot of selling pressure for some reason. DAX too.
Let me look at this a bit more. It is a bit late of an entry for me, personally. I can't get my 1-to-1 if I was to get in, so...
Is that all you target, by the way, is 1-to-1?
Yeah, normally, but right now I'd be negative that. Like, where my get out level would be, I'd be risking 2 to make 1. I'm not interested.
Yeah.
I missed it, basically. Like, when it was consolidating earlier before it ran up, that seemed like a pretty good signal to me, so I would have taken that, but I wasn't around a few hours ago, so...
I haven't. I missed out on a lot of opportunities this morning. I noticed. I didn't get much sleep last night, so yeah.
Nah.
I didn't wake up till like 1:45 or 11:45. Was it one of those?
What kept you up?
I've got a ear infection, and it's just like
Jesus Christ.
I know,
Fuck.
And it's just like my ears swollen, and I just like can't sleep because I'm in so much pain.
Yeah, that's not fun.
What the fuck is GU doing?
Be right back.
Brexit going to 0.
Yeah, but I mean, like, it's just the way it's playing out at the moment. Just drop already.
Gold is almost hitting the H4 short on gold, so 1857 level.
Yeah, that's R3 as well.
That's who?
Resistance 3 on the pivots.
Okay, I thought like R2D2 or something like that. What?
Oh, they should be renamed that, definitely. C3 and pivot 0 as well.
Anyone been watching The Mandalorian?
Yeah, I saw a bit of that. Yeah, it's quite good, isn't it?
I'm really enjoying it.
I'm only a bit into the first
Did you know
season.
they're making a? Yeah, did you know they're making another series now, like another like part of the Star Wars universe about like Darth Vader and Obi-Wan?
No, I didn't know that. That sounds interesting.
Yeah, and they're making another one with Sokatana.
Who?
Sokatana. This bitch. I put it in Hoddle.
Oh. Yeah.
I think I'm going to start layering in as short on gold from 1854 and 1857. Actually, you might go 1855 and 1858.
Wow, the Dow just went below.
Did you say short?
Yeah, I like to live dangerously.
Yeah, I was gonna say good luck. Because I really feel like it's gonna pop up, break the high, go up about 60 pips. So that would be like my target. I'm actually planning on getting, and I'm just measuring things on. But alright, I guess we'll be competing here.
Yeah, Eurocad never happened, Kieran.
Pardon?
Eurocad didn't get to your limit, I take it.
I haven't checked it yet.
No, it's gone the other way.
Alright.
Still has potential to hit. I have a buy limit order on the Dow at 29911. Yay, cable's finally breaking down.
Wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground.
Euro dollar.
It looks like it won't go up.
Yeah, I see what you mean now with Eurocad. Probably gonna have to close that, let that go. Yeah, I'm gonna close it.
Guess it's a down day today.
Come on, Dow. Hit my order.
Doesn't look so healthy for the Dow.
Yeah, my buy limit's at 29911. I need to go to the toilet.
Sunshine, my dear, why you playing? I just hope it makes some sense. Spotlight from your heart, sunshine, my dear, why you playing? I can
Yeah, it's holding below VWAP.
What's holding?
The Dow. Which is bad for my DAX buy. Ah shit, it's holding. VWAP reversal to the downside. In progress.
Euro dollar.
Which guy told me not to layer in at 1854? Who was that? Kick his ass.
Who here trades Lira?
I've seen people trade it. It was kind of crazy this year.
Yeah, it was. Like, I don't trade it, but yeah. It did something different for once. It went down. It's crazy. I'm just watching gold. Waiting patiently.
Was it you that told me not to short gold at 1854?
No, I said good luck.
Yeah, that's pretty much dead.
Oh. Well, I mean, you're scaling in, dude, so I mean, like, I don't know what your goals are.
I know. $5. So we'd done $4.60 just then.
Well,
it's all your fault. Yeah. Just take it. I'm not going to feed my children now. Don't worry.
Good. They have to earn their right to eat.
Priorities. I have the feeling the indice is gonna go down.
Well, Dow Jones is not having a great day either, so.
To make everyone aware, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell speaking on the Senate floor.
Yeah, VWAP is holding. That's gonna fuck up my DEX longs.
I was short in pound yen and I was like, nah, actually I'm gonna just hold off on that. So I closed out my trade in profit and now I'm short in pound, cable. And I've just looked back to pound yen and it's gone exactly where I thought it would.
Don't worry, you took profit, move on.
Yeah. Ah. Shit, just missed Euro USD.
Euro dollar.
I'm gonna refill my coffee. With some hedge orders below, so do whatever DEX.
I just got in on Euro USD, shorted Euro USD.
That's McConnell there saying that the US officially has a president-elect in Joe Biden.
Oh, really? Good to know.
Is that an election or something? This is crazy.
Apparently, there was one.
I wasn't aware.
That's the news of the day. Now I'm so much smarter. Let's see what Trump has to say about that.
We won bigly, very bigly. You didn't win bigly.
And we did win. With a wall.
I mean, we won so big that people didn't think we would win that big, but we did. All the legal votes were big.
Looks like the indices are gonna go down. No oomph.
Are you going to be normal risk on gold, or are you going to be the annoying risk off gold? Which one?
Well, the Dow is most certainly trying, but this looks pretty bad. Finally, a range has formed. Ah, 1.4%, enough for the DAX scalp.
comments as well from the Irish Prime Minister saying he has greater hope for a Brexit deal this week. And the Irish Prime Minister commenting in Parliament saying that he has greater hope for a Brexit deal this week.
Euro dollar.
Gold's having a rough time rallying. It's also not the best time of day. One more push. Like waiting to go long. Come on. Maybe I should just go short buys.
I accidentally closed my US dollar card fucking limit when I closed my Euro card one. And that's just triggered. Well, I should have.
Could be worse. Could have closed the wrong side of a huge hedge like I did once in the past, a long time ago.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Euro
user
dollar.
error, man. I mean, on MetaTrader, if you've got a big screen, you've got like right hand side where you close it, and then all the way over on the left is where the symbols are. So you've got to just pay fucking attention, haven't you? Ultra wides. Feel sorry for people with those. Slash really want one.
Why?
Saw someone with 2 ultra wides stacked as well. It's like equivalent 6 monitors. I don't know. Just use a tiling window manager so I could just chuck everything on there and let it sort itself out.
You know, I really like OLED screens right now.
But ultrawide is a pain.
Ultra is a pain, yeah. Well, even for trading though, that's what I'm
Yes,
thinking. How much
absolutely.
history you get. Good look at like the 90s with an ultra wide.
I like to have a lot of monitors so I can just drag and drop my charts to different windows, but if it's one big screen, you have to like awkwardly scale each window or have Windows Auto try to do it. And
Yeah, and that never works.
Yeah.
yeah, I'd rather just drag
Yeah,
and drop to Windows. Different monitors, I mean.
That's if you, yeah. I've got i3 if anyone's heard of that. It's just, it throws everything into tiles automatically, different workspaces.
You're a hacker.
Not ideal though. I suppose if you want to game or watch like something on the one screen, that's probably better to have multiple. Anyone use a vertical here? Can't see if that's any good for trading.
I don't like vertical, and I don't understand why people prefer it. I mean, I don't know.
Trend came from coding, didn't it? So you could see more of the source code.
It'd be
above,
cool if
but-
you were looking at like a feed, like a news feed or something.
Yeah, or
Then
if you trade the
could
ticker,
do
the
that.
vertical is perfect.
Oh yeah, if you're trading volume 2, watching things go, yeah, that would be a depth of market. Yeah.
All ticker traders have the screen vertical because you need the space. You cannot start scrolling when volume builds up. That's like, I don't know.
That's why I have 4K TVs.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to just set up with TV.
There you go.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, Gold's having a bitch of a time rallying right now. He might just be a good old pullback. But, it's like a race against the clock time of day.
I have the strong feeling that the index is gonna go down today. Where's Sebastian?
Oh, he
said he's
him
gonna
and I both
sleep a
got
minute.
wasted, but yeah, he needs to take his sweet time apparently.
Did you guys stay on after I went off?
Oh yeah.
Did it get even more heated?
Yeah, no, no, it just got weird. Like he started like making fake arguments as if I didn't agree, and then somebody joined thinking that, like even somebody didn't even know what he was saying to me. He was kind of like, wait, what? Because he was like, Sebastian was talking to me in a way. It was weird. I don't know. Somehow I ended up in some position. I didn't even know what it was. It was kind of weird.
Talking weird about what?
I don't know. He just was trying to explain to me scaling strats as if I didn't agree or something. It was really weird. So I was like, no, I agree with you. Like, Sebastian, I agree with everything. Yeah, I know. It was a time. So like, somebody doesn't know me. He joins. So somebody is like, hold on. Can I speak for you, Sebastian? And he was trying to help Sebastian explain it to me. And I'm like, yeah, I get it. Good enough position.
Good times, good times.
Yeah, that happened. Then I had I went to bed, and then I remember like the last dreams I had before I got up was I was still arguing with Sebastian. The ride never ends.
The thing is, it wasn't like even an argument. You was just drunk, and Sebastian wasn't listening. So it was like you were both just like constantly repeating the same thing back to each other. And like in the end, I was just like, "Look, guys, you guys are both like basically saying the same thing." And then you just like, I don't know, it just carried on and on.
Listen to me. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I was a lot more belligerent, but I was actually listening, so whatever.
Yeah.
It's
Me
like
and Marvel were
that.
just
But
like, oh
yeah.
god, what's happening?
Gold's really trying, but it looks like it ain't happening right now. World's smallest violin. Alright, I'm gonna take a
This is gonna
short
go
rise.
down in a minute. And I'm still long. That's gonna hurt in a minute.
I've just started shorting Kiwi dollar.
I have to reset up all my fucking charts. You guys have no idea how long this takes. Like, my chart kept freezing because of the tools I'm using. So now I have to reset this up for a short buys. So that's fun.
Sounds like fun.
Good times. It is fun. I literally had to reload the charts twice. And I tried to do some multi-monitor gaming today, and the NVIDIA control panel completely fucked everything, and nothing's been the same since, so I don't know what that's about. But, yeah.
Sounds like the usual Windows story.
Yeah.
It's my alert, and this looks like it's gonna break out again.
I know like Windows has like its kind of bad rep, but it is the best operating system for an all-rounder. Like, if you want to play games, develop programs, and like do anything, like Windows is a great all-rounder.
If you want to develop anything, Windows is a nightmare.
Yeah, I'm not, I kind of want to get on my nice laptop, you know? My nice, beautiful MacBook. I don't have them.
I give you a quick example. Windows is really good to use with a keyboard because it came from DOS. And Mac OS is purely designed to be used with a mouse. I can navigate Mac OS faster without a mouse than Windows. And Windows has shortcuts for freaking everything.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you know, like Macs and stuff, like, okay, great for like work environment or whatever, and maybe doing some, you know, video editing or music production, but I mean,
anything productive.
Like, it's not very great for gaming. Yeah, pretty much.
Anything that makes you money is always better on a Mac, except of freaking CTrader. But besides that.
And what is up with CTrader not working on Mac? It's the most ridiculous thing.
Because it's built on .NET.
Yeah, I have Parallels running on my Mac just so that if I have to go out, I can run CTrader.
Yeah, I have a Windows computer with only CTrader on it.
Yeah, I think I'll get a Lenovo next. Can't be bothered with this anymore.
Hello.
What? It's the old IBM ThinkPad, the new versions of those, basically.
No, join us. ZenBook Pro Duo.
Yeah, that's the...
I can't afford one.
Well,
I can't afford one of those.
The one without Pro costs only half. It's like $1,500.
Yeah, well, they had they had a different version of the Pro on sale here, Fish, for $1,800.
Yeah,
so
I would have bought that blind.
That was weird.
Shut up!
Yeah,
take
because
my
I already
money.
bought mine, right? Well, I think it was like $1,900, but I already bought mine, right? And it was coming, and the next day that was on sale, and I was like, I swear. At first, I thought it was the model I got, and so, yeah.
Yeah, but there are slight differences in the models. They tried to cheat me too. Well, they didn't try to cheat me. They just tried to.
It was just a
offer me something.
processor difference. Yeah, but that really.
It has like.
I was like, fuck. But
the one on sale was like 500 gigabyte SSD and some minor differences. But besides that, all the specs were the same. And okay, whatever, fuck it. I can just upgrade a hard disk myself and save me. I don't know, $250 or something like that. Then yeah, he unpacked it and activated it and blah blah blah, and I touched the screen and nothing happened, and he said no touch screen. I said, what the fuck, no touch screen? They casually ignored that in the specs. But they don't mention that in the specs. I mean, it's written somewhere. This is a different display, blah blah blah, with 700 million letters, and there is some note on page 742 that it hasn't a touchscreen.
Let's see in the EU here publishing sweeping rules for tech giants.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have all the CTrader positions on the lower screen.
Draft rules, it says that tech giants are classified as online gatekeepers and face lists of do's and don'ts. It says that large online platforms will have to show details of political adverts, parameters used by their algorithms. So in the EU draft rule there says that parameters used by these social networking companies' algorithms will have to be shown.
Yeah, so whatever, who cares?
So that's changes there being published by the EU in a draft document, sweeping rules for tech giants.
where's the bus with the people who care? Tech giant regulations. They're just gonna go somewhere else. Are they fucking stupid?
So looking into this draft rule then, it says tech giants will face fines of up to 10% of annual global revenue for non-compliance with these new rules.
And they just say fuck off, we go somewhere else.
Also says here that very large online platforms with more than 45 million users will have to do more to remove harmful illegal content on their platform.
Okay. How do they do more?
Well, instead of having 7 moderators, they're gonna have 9.
Ah. The other one's got PTSD. It's time. Have you heard about that? A lot of the moderators get PTSD with all the crap they gotta filter.
I had a problem with Burma where they were accused about Burmese moderators, and it turned out that they were just 20 or something like that for the whole country.
Wait, 20 for what country?
Burma. Myanmar.
Wait, what's my fault?
And that's like one of these tiger countries.
So here the New York Fed purchases 8.8 billion in treasury coupons today.
That means development just skips steps, and in Burma, internet means is equal Facebook.
What did I do, Sami? What's my fault?
I said I was going to start scaling at 1854. You went no, so I moved my entry away, and then I looked back at it, tagged it, and it's going straight to TP. I was like, fuck.
Oh no, I just said good luck.
Good luck is that slide?
No, I mean, okay, so this is how I was gonna. Were you here when I mentioned earlier that I didn't want to take the trade where it was because my stop loss would have been, or my get out level would have been like over 100 pips away, and the reward was low. So what I thought to myself was this pullback we had, if it came back up and was able to rally there and go off, then I could get in. But it failed to do that. But I'm just bullish. So I was like, if you're scaling in, you might have to deal with like a bit if it just takes off immediately. But the rally failed, as you can see at the moment. So wasn't really. I guess I could have briefed you on, but yeah. I mean, you could still get a good pullback, but I don't know.
Dead to me. That's to me.
I'm closing my DAX by it, and the Dow, all the indices going down. This is gonna collapse in a minute.
That's what I told Kieran. Kieran can vouch. I was like, I don't want to get in right now. But then I saw maybe an opportunity if it could rally at the top, but it didn't. So, but I mean, I expect it to get up there, but I don't know what the journey will be. Hence, that's what you're going to capitalize on since you're scaling. So.
Wow,
you have 54 chances to be right, son.
What's going on here?
I want to tell Dixie that
it feels so foreign
so you can get more cash boost.
I hope you're cursed, Sami. I want when you go to scaling, it always works out the first time. You get no sizing. You're just cursed. And then the day you're like, all right, I'll just up my percent. That's when it goes against you a lot. Put that hex on you.
Fuck my life. That's TP.
Well, that was your TP?
Yeah.
30 pips, but you're willing to take... Oh god, what was that? Oh my god. Over
That's
$100
$5
pips against you. Oh, okay. Oh, what was your scaling plan? I remember you saying levels, so I wasn't...
1854 and 1857.
But did you get in?
No. Somebody said good luck, so I moved my entry away. And then I looked back. I was like, no, that wasn't
Wait,
a good
moved
entry.
it to
So I moved
where?
it back.
Moved it to where? Where would you move it?
So-
That
so-
would change what
see
I'm talking about.
See that wick? See that wick on the left? On that picture.
Yeah.
I had my entry there, and then before that wick formed, I moved it away, and then it went through
To where,
where my
though?
entry point was. What? I just moved it up.
Well,
a
I
bit,
was
so
aiming
moved it-
high. Yeah, but my pity was like 158. Like I'm looking up there, so like might as well have gotten it. I mean, my thoughts don't really matter in this case. Like,
Yeah,
even in the context of you moving it, it wouldn't have mattered. Well, I was just saying good luck. I wouldn't have been surprised, but like you saw, it tried the rally 3 or 4 times and just couldn't. So that was pretty weak. And I'm not trading technicals. I'm not waiting for it to break the top. It's just the volume wasn't there, so it just didn't work out. Also, the time of day, like things are gonna get boring for the dollar now.
So that basically,
Here soon, anyway.
well, that's the thing. If everybody thinks that indices are going down, like Dow Jones, then that means they're taking the risk off the table. So that gets converted into cash, which means Dixie should rise, which means gold should drop unless gold is being used as margin cover.
Yeah.
Isn't being used as margin cover. So in a way, that would help a gold sell and help a GU sell and help an EU sale. But the EU sale is probably propping up Dixie at the moment because EU's at a high level because of the options. They are getting the option calls, expiries are today and tomorrow.
The feeling the range is gonna break out again. This is spending an awful long time on the tops.
Is that on DAX swing?
No, on synthetics. I was just scalping the DAX, made 1.5% on one account and 0.6% on another account. And all buys. No sells. And I just turned on the mirroring and sold one contract for $5 to test it. Everybody is selling. I'm buying.
Fish is getting sizing.
It's all about penetration.
I mean,
That's what she said.
Come on! I wanna stop trading, but I don't wanna take a loss. And I am 17 cents in a loss. That's unacceptable.
Dude, take the loss.
Oh, this is
I'm
gonna
the same
break
thing.
so
I'm
out
kinda
in a
the same.
second.
I'm 0.5% from hitting the verification profit target on day 2, and I'm like, oh, should I just take my profits for today and just wait till tomorrow? Because that's the wise thing to do. But I mean, I have 2 trades open that are currently in my favor. Do I see if I can hit the profit target?
I was writing with Collected about my qualification strategy. I do it exactly the reverse way that anybody else does it.
And just now, kings are dying like flies.
Isn't that kind of the logic behind the markets? Whatever the majority's doing, go against them.
But what I do is, like I just did with these 2 accounts. Like on the opening, I bought 90 contracts of the DAX, and it went straight up. I closed it 1.5%. Done. That's what I always do on day 1. I try to qualify on the first day. And this can only end in one of 2 ways. Either you're ending the day with a massive profit, which means the rest of the month you can do it really slowly. like trading like a normal person. And or you're having a massive loss, like 4.89%, and then you just write off the account, add it to copy trading, and trade it like a normal person, because you're sure gonna make 5% in 29 days. That's all you have to do to go break even, and then you just restart the account. But what the most traders do, they just destroy the account and then they try to recover it, which just never happens.
Tell me about the Targaryen dinner and her dragons.
Oh, 11 cents profit. Come on, 19. Come on, give me $1. I promise I'm gonna close.
The biggest was the size.
Okay, all green and I'm gonna close. Damn compromises all the time.
Try to scale out the very last position. Just the last one.
Like, Kieran, just imagine you have 2 accounts. I mean, you're trading 2 accounts. And you plan on copying them because you just want to trade one. So what you do on day 1 on the second account when you get it, you hit it really hard. You do trade like a crazy person. And then let's just say you 4% profit or so. Then the rest of then you have 29 days to do the rest. And this is just like whatever trading.
Afraid of a dead horse.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And if you fail, I mean, you don't fail, you just stop trading when it hits minus 4.7 or something. And then you do exactly the same. You connect it to copy trading and you trade like a normal person on the next day. Because the 5% profit you're gonna make on the one account gonna recover the other account. And you're not gonna see that it's in a loss because you're seeing your main account, which is the normal account.
Would you shut up?
The hounds.
So you have no psychological impact as well.
And now their watch is ended.
That's why I have a lot of these challenges where I just make one trade, hit the target, and then microlot 9 more days. I can show you one actually.
Was it just us for fun? I'm trying to make it. Was this real or not? My head just can't take it. I've got a feeling we belong together. Doesn't matter, things can just get better. Can you join me so the night gets crazy? We'll be dancing in the moonlight, baby.
Yeah, like this. Post it in trading room.
Yeah.
Day 1, 206 lots.
German Chancellor Merkel here saying that Germany is
and I just linked it to copy trading with 0.01.
100,000 people.
So the only reason why it's going up and down is because I'm actually trading the main account. This is what just copying it with 0.01 ratio.
I'm not really paying too much attention today to my trades, and I keep getting stopped out, and it's doing my dick because like my stops are always in the wrong place, and I'm like, oh shit, I didn't mean to set it there. I mean, I'm still in profit, but it's me just doing stupid stuff.
Well, there's a solution for that. Like, have your stop in the right place.
Yeah. One of my stops is in the right place now, but my other trade got stopped out, which is annoying, so I'm looking to re-enter that.
Ah, there we are. Okay. All green. I'm done. $142 for Tesla. I need 149. Is that so hard? That's only 375%. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. This was a pretty successful one actually. 6.5% something, almost. I have to wait for the update actually. Just restart a MetaTrader. Where is it? Oh, there is it. Alright. See you guys tomorrow trading Forex again. Doing some real trading. And have a good night everyone. And a good rest of the US session.
We'll be right back.